So hier notieren Sie die Monate auf Deutsch und in Ihrer Sprache. So we will not be writing the German, we'll not be writing the month's name in our language because we already know that. We'll only do the German part. So here you have a circle in which you have written, you can see the name of the seasons are written. For example, okay, I need somebody, Ashwin, Samriddhi, and Sana. 6. Okay, Sana, read the first 4 months, then Samriddhi the next 4, and Ashwin the next 4. Start with January.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Januar.
Where is it actually? Which page?
Martin, it's 35, Ashwin, page number.
Is it Januar or we'll pronounce it as
It's not Januar, it's Januar.
Januar. Okay.
Januar.
Yeah. Januar, February, March, April.
Yeah, that's okay. Januar, February, March, and April. Okay, then Samriddhi, the next 4.
May, Juni, July, August.
Okay, why did you call it July?
To pronounce, because we pronounce J as Y.
Yeah, so you. J is you to you. Lee.
July.
Yeah, Yuli, and next one?
August.
August, are you sure?
August.
Yeah, very good. August. Okay. Then Ashwin, the next 4 bits.
September, October, November, December.
Yeah. Rishtish. September, October, November. We don't say November, it's November. And December. December. So yeah, this is Januar. We don't have many drastic changes when it comes to the pronunciation thing. Just 2 things that needs to be pronounced with little bit of, I would say, accent, which is Januar, February, and maths. We call it maths, not the spelling is maths, but basically it's like the T inflammation, which we do with a lot of words in German. Maths, maths. This is. Make sure, do not say or do not sound too much with the T thing. Don't call it maths, not like that. It's like maths. Yeah. April, May, Juni, Juli, August, then September with Z. October is same, no change. In November, we say November, they say November. November. The no comes very appropriately. So November and December, not December, it's December. 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 Yeah. So it's Januar, February, March, April, May, Juni, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is the, I would say, Monate. Yeah. Now, they have different seasons also. So, they consider December, Januar, and February. These 3 months are winter season in dark. Yeah. Then March, April, May, that is Frühling. What do you think Frühling can be? Which season?
Spring.
Spring, yeah, Rishtish. Then Juni, July, August, they are Sommer, that is summer. And then September, October, and November, they are, Samriddhi, what?
Fall.
Yeah, it's autumn, Herbst. Yeah, so it is called Herbst, not Herbst, it is Herbst. Make sure when you say Herbst, so the pronunciation of E should go very, very, very prominent. Herbst, not Herbst. Yeah, so Sommer, winter, Frühling, Herbst. Okay, now, this is something, it's completely vocab, and we don't have anything as such that you need to remember here, except for the maths and December, pronunciation, accent thing. Any other pronunciation thing that you need to ask me here? Pronunciation thing? Anything? 9? Okay. So, when there is nothing in here, that was the end. The B and C, it's like it's yeah. One thing I would tell you, which is important. Do you remember when we talk about days? For example, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Which preposition do we use? I told you. On Tuesday, on Monday, which is the preposition that we use? Vergessen. That's am. Am Montag, am Freitag, am Mittwoch. So am with Wochentage, that means with the days of the week, we always use am. Then we have im. Im is always with the name of the Monate. Im Januar, im Februar, im März. So whenever you're talking about the months, talk with im. Whenever you're talking with about the days of the week, talk with am. Yeah. Now, with the months, you can talk about your Geburtstag. For example, wann ist Ihr Geburtstag? When is your birthday? Geburtstag is birthday. So you can say, I'll do it. Mein Geburtstag ist im Januar. My Geburtstag ist im Januar. My Geburtstag ist im Januar. Now, in order to make the sentence more informative, you can add, for example, let's talk about my birthday. My Geburtstag, if I have to say, ist im, and my is in 2nd January, basically. So if I have to say 2nd Januar, so how do we say it? Mein Geburtstag ist im 2. We cannot say 2 Januar. We do not say 2 January. We say 2nd. Yeah. So this is what we didn't do in the first chapter. That is the ordinal Zahlen. Ordinal means the order, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So this is the last vocabulary. We're going to finish it off so that you can talk about your birthdays also. With the help of Monat, you can talk about your month. And with the help of this 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, you can talk about your date. Now, when it comes to the ordinal Zahlen, the question is how many do you need to remember? Yeah. Do we need to remember till 1000? No. Ordinal Zahlen is only till the calendar dates. That means 31st is the last. Because we don't have any more, the calendar, it doesn't go beyond 31st. So we only need to learn the ordinal numbers till 31st so that we can talk about the days and dates. Yeah, Ashwin?
Nothing, sorry.
Haben Sie Fragen? Okay. Wenn Sie keine Frage haben, dann gehen wir weiter. Let's see the Ordinalzahlen. I think I already told you once to read it. I don't know if you did that or not. But then let's start afresh and let's do it in here. Ein Moment. Sonntag, Freitag. Super. Ich habe nochmals das verloren. Wo habe ich das gelegt? Das kann ich jetzt nicht finden. Oh my God. Wait, I need to search it again. Ein Moment. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, here. So as I told you, we'll be only needing 31st till 31st. And the ordinal numbers are again followed by a pattern. So this won't be a tough thing to remember. But yeah, you would definitely take some time to be habituated with it. So let's see how. Yeah. So here are the Ordinalzahlen. Yeah, Ordinalzahlen. Cardinal is 1, 2, 3, 4, and ordinal is 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So there are two okay, one moment. I have to give you two things because of the text. Yeah, fine. So there are two ways of talking about first, second, third. I'll give you example. For example, I am reading this paper, or I'm reading this page to you. And for some reason, Samriti is unable to understand question number or point number 2. So she would say, ma'am, please could you repeat the second point again? The second point. So when you talk about normal things, yeah, like could you give me the second, can you talk, okay. For example, could you explain me the second number again? Or what is in the second question? Could you please let me know? Then we use this part, yeah. And when we talk about dates, for example, on 2nd of July, on 5th of October, on 2nd of April, then we use it with yeah. How? I'll tell you. So first, let's talk about, if I have to say, the first one, which is normal. Yeah, one is with dates, the other one is normal. So let's see, how do we talk about the normal first, second, third? So the normal first, second, third is the, for example, let's say the first one, erster. Erster. The first thing, the first one you need to remember, because erster is nothing, because normally in the cardinal Zahlen, we say eins. So it is not similar to eins, but you need to remember that first is called erster. Erst. Basically erst without T. Then the second one is zweit. We have zwei. It is zweiter. Dritter. Vierter. From fear, it is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So erster, zweiter, dritter, vierter, fünfter, sechster, that is 6th, siebter. It is not siebenter. 7 is called sieben, but when we write the ordinal Zahlen, we write it as siebter. Achter, neunter, zehnter. Yeah. Elfter, zwölfter. Yeah. And this, the same list will go till 19th. So how do we say 13th? Zwölfter. So what do you think? Guess for the 13th. You have to add TE to the number. We have 13. You have to add TE to it.
Right center.
Very good. 13. Okay. How do we say 14, Samriddhi?
Fear
center. Fear center. Okay. Ashwin, 15.
Film
15.
center.
Yeah. 16th.
The center.
Anybody?
Center.
Yeah. For 17th.
Center.
No, 17 is called Zeepsen, Samriddhi, not Zebensen. So Zeepcenter. Yeah. 17, we learned that with 17, we don't put the whole number, we say Zeepsen. So it is Zeben, Zeepcenter. For 18, Sana?
Center.
Very good, Center. For 19, it is Neun-Center. And from 20th will be, okay, from 20th to 31, we need to add ster. In place of ter, we'll be adding sta. For example, Swanzigster. Not Swanzigter, Swanzigster. What could be for what could be 21? You can see here, I know Swanzigster. For 22? Guess. You need to add STE with the numbers. 22's. Yeah. 22. 22. That is the normal number. And 22. The pronunciation is the catch here. 22. Okay, for 23. Anybody?
23.
Yeah, 23. Richtig. 24 is 24. 25 is 25. And then 26 is, say, 26. 27, 28, 29, 30, that is 38, and 31. That is done.